Hey there, this is Ben back for another Python tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you all about lists. So go ahead, get your idle open and strap in because we're getting even deeper into Python. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and figure out what a list is. And I'm going to be using my wallet as an example. So to declare a list, we start it out just like a variable with one equal sign. And then we open up two brackets. And inside of my wallet, let's say that we have $3 bills, a $5 bill, a $10 bill, and a $50 bill. And we're also going to have one coupon for coffee. And that's what my wallet is. So if I press enter, then I create that. This is called a list because it's one variable which has many different elements inside of it. And we have both a string and an integer inside of this list. So you can probably tell already this is really powerful. So if we want to figure out what's inside the list, we can go ahead and just say print my wallet and see what's inside of there. It went ahead and just returned our list just like that. This is also sometimes called an array. If you hear that, this is what an array is, the same as a list. So if I want to figure out what is in a specific position in my wallet, imagine a wallet and all of my bills are in order, going from the smallest to the biggest, and then the coupon is at the back of my wallet. Let's say I want to figure out what the fourth object is, this 5 right here. Then I can go ahead and say print, open up my parentheses to print, which looks like this. And inside there, we're going to put my wallet. And you open up the brackets again. And then we put whatever number we want in there based on the order. So if I want the 5, I'm going to put in the number 3, which might seem kind of weird because if you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, you might think that if I want it to give us 5, we need to put in the number 4. But that's actually not the case. In lists, it starts counting at 0. So this is 0, this is 1, 2, and 3. And just to show you that that's the case, I can run this and it will return 5. So the third index inside of this list is actually the 5. And the 0 on here would give us the 1. So that's pretty tricky. It messes me up sometimes, but always get in the habit of starting your counting with a 0 and then a 1 and then keep going like that throughout your list. So let's say I want to add something. I make some more money, maybe walking someone's dog or something. And let's add something to our wallet. We're going to use the append command and we're going to add in 10 extra dollars. And just like that, when we declare variables, nothing gets pushed out yet. So let's go ahead and print it just to see what changed. We're going to print the whole wallet. And now we have our ones, our 5, 10, the coupon, and then another $10 bill in our wallet, which is pretty cool. Let's add some more things to our wallet. Let's go ahead and add in free parking pass, which would be really nice. And let's add in something else. We can add in a driver's license. And then we can go ahead and print our wallet and see what it looks like now. So every time we add something, it's just adding it on to the end of the list. We added the 10, and then the free parking, and then the driver's license. They just come one after each other and make the list bigger and longer like that. If I want to go ahead and take something out, let's say I spend my coupon for coffee, then we can go ahead and do a similar command, except change the word append with remove, just like that. And inside here, we want to tell the computer what we want to remove from this list, and we want to remove the coupon for coffee. And you have to spell it exactly the same way. So if we run that, it should take the coupon for coffee out of our wallet. And just to check, we can print our wallet. And you can see that the coupon for coffee has been taken out. And now the $50 bill is touching the $10 bill right here. So that's interesting. But what if I wanted to take this 10 and put it next to the other 10? Because, I like keeping my wallet in order with the small bills all together, the 5s together, the 10s together, etc. Well, it's not that easy to sort this list because it has integers and strings. But there is a way. If we remove it from the list and then add it into this very specific position, then we could, in a way, sort our fictional wallet. So the way that we'll do that is by first removing the number 10. But I'll show you a little bit of a problem with that. If we use our same remove command right here, and we put in the number 10 here, think about what might happen. There's a 10 here in our wallet and a 10 in here in our wallet. The computer doesn't necessarily know that I want it to pick this 10, and it'll actually pick the first 10 it finds in our wallet, which is this one, which doesn't really solve my problem of organizing my 10s together, unless I want to put them all after the 50. But I want to keep these in order, so instead of removing the 10 like this, we're going to use a different command, and we'll be using the pop. And so we're going to be counting to figure out what number this is. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is actually the sixth element. So let's try that out. Put a 6 in here. So we're going to remove or pop, which just means, kick it out of this list. The sixth element, 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the sixth one. If we run that, you can see it returns 10. And now if we print our wallet, then the 10 is out of there. So now if we want to put the 10 right back in here, just so that our wallet is in order, then we can go ahead and use my wallet.insert, and then we'll open that up. First, we need to pick the position. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll put it right here before the 10. And then we need to tell it what value. So we're going to be putting a $10 bill in there. And if we print our wallet now, then you can see it's got the 10s in order, which is really nice. So that's a little bit about how you can, manipulate your list by taking things out. You can either remove it, or you can pop it out and pop it in using pop and insert, which is really helpful. Something else you might want to do is count the number of, dollar bills you have in your wallet. So what I could do is say my wallet.count and put in the 1 there, and it says that I've got 3. If I wanted to try something else like my wallet count free sandwich, so maybe I've got a coupon for a free sandwich or something, we can count our wallet for how many times it's got a free sandwich coupon in it, and it says that there's 0. So it knows that I don't have any free sandwich coupons in here. And just to really run that point home, if we try it with the free parking, then it will find that there's 1 free parking pass inside my wallet. And then the last thing you might want to do is clear out a list, and you can do that with the clear function like this. And so if we print our wallet, to our dismay, it's empty. Anyways, that's all I got for you today. You learned a lot all at once, so feel free to watch the video again just to make sure you really understand all of it. We basically create a list or an array. You can fill it with integers and strings. You can add things to it by using the append, and that'll put it at the end. You can also remove things specifically. You can pop them out by position. You can insert them by position, and you can count and clear your wallet as well, looking for certain items or just getting rid of everything altogether. That's all I have for today. Have a great day. Bye.